Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. It is so nice to have you here. My name's Amanda and I post cleaning motivation every single week to help you tackle your homes as well. So don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, just by clicking the subscribe button down below. Go ahead and leave this video a thumbs up and let's just jump straight into it. So today I'm starting off in the bedroom, giving it a good tidy, a dust, and I'm also going to be going over it with the Hoover because my favourite thing to do is hoover in the house. I don't know why, I just absolutely love it, and I love the feeling once it's done. It just makes everything feel fresh and just bigger to me and more airy. So I'm just going to go throughout the bedroom and make it nice and fresh and ready for the day before I then move on to the ensuite bathroom. Now the bathroom is definitely my least favourite room to do, but I'm going to be trying to add it to my routine to do it a little bit more often than I have been doing it, because it doesn't get done as frequently as it should. So I'm going to move on to that before then heading downstairs, because like the title says, it's a whole house clean today. So I am going to be tackling pretty much every room in my house. I don't know what it is about having the fire background on the TV or any type of pretty background on the TV, but I absolutely love it. It just makes me feel so cozy. So I've put that on in the bedroom just so I can see it now and then when I go in and out. And it's now time to do the bathroom. So I've emptied it all out because I definitely prefer working with a blank canvas rather than trying to clean around things, because as you can see, we don't have any storage in here, so it does get very cluttered. So I'm just going to move everything out, wipe down the sink, the side, the windowsill, and just make it all nice and fresh. I'm going in with the Method bathroom spray. I absolutely love this. I'm a little bit obsessed because the smell of mint in the bathroom is just so beautiful. So I'm just going to go throughout and just give everything a good wipe down. Next, I'm going to go in and clean the shower with the Astonish Mold and Mildew Blaster. Now, I absolutely love this and I love the way it smells. For some reason, it just reminds me of the swimming pools, and I love the smell of swimming pools. I don't know what it is. So I'm just going to go in using the Astonish and also a Minky and just give everything a good scrub over.
There's no denying what we want. There's no denying what we want. Playing games, no. There's no denying what we want. There's no denying what we want. Playing games, no. There's no denying what we want. There's no denying what we want. Playing games, no. There's no denying what we want. There's no denying what we want.
So once I've rinsed all that off, I'm then going to go in with the Method Daily Shower Spray because I am a sucker for a good scent and this smells beautiful. So I always go in and just spray everything down with this. It helps keep it cleaner for longer as well and I just love it. So once all that's done, I can then go in and mop the floor, and I don't know how we get so much soap and toothpaste and just everything over the floor, but somehow we do, and I'm so glad that I have this steam mop because it just makes life so much easier. I am going to go ahead and link it down in the description box below if you do want to check it out, but I definitely recommend getting a steam mop because it makes everything so much easier, and you can also add your favourite scent to it. I always add my favourite Sephora scent to it and it just helps the bathroom smell beautiful.
Every time you slam the door, I would be the richest girl alive, if you hadn't run away. Every time I asked you stay, you would sleep right next to me tonight. No, you didn't want me, all you wanted was a game to play, and you couldn't.
So next up on my list was the laundry room, and I really wanted to get all of this washing sorted and put away, but most of it wasn't actually dry yet. So I'm going to go ahead and iron a couple of the tops that were dry and then just leave the others. I think I put the wash load in a little bit too late last night, so it's going to take even longer to dry, and because they're hoodies, they're extra thick and they just take extra long. So I'm just going to leave those for the rest of the day because we don't really need them anyway, and crack on with everything else.
The guy I thought, now I'm beating you at your own. Yeah, if I got $1 for every time you slam the door, I would be the richest girl alive. No, you didn't want me, all you wanted was a game to play, and you couldn't handle that I had my ways. Around your mind tricks and your side chicks, I'm a winner, babe. No, you didn't win this, it's a part of the game. Yeah, I beat you at your game, and if you were me, you would do the same. Man, I really love to play, and now that I won, then it's safe to say, no, you didn't want me, all you wanted was a game to play, and you couldn't handle that I had my ways. Around your mind tricks and your side chicks, I'm a winner, babe. No, you didn't win.
So I'm now moving down into the kitchen, and the kitchen is actually my favourite room to clean. I love having a clean kitchen, and the smells and the fragrances, I just love it. So I'm just going to go ahead and put the washing up away that I did the night before, do some washing up that was left because that is just always my daily routine. I do that every single day. I'm then going to go around wiping down all the cupboards and the sides and just making everything super fresh.
When we were younger, we used to sit on the grass among the flowers. We just let the days pass by. People would tell us to get a grip of ourselves and get a job. We didn't care what we were told, 'cause when we were younger, we used to sit on the grass and go, damn, I don't wanna grow old. I wish I could turn back time. Stay up all night singing songs on the terrace. We didn't mind sitting out in the cold. It was impossible to make us embarrassed. We were free. Stealing smokes from your parents. Sometimes we got a bit out of control. When they found out.
So once I got everything put away, it was time to clean the sink, and again, I love cleaning the sink. This is one of my favourite things to do in the kitchen, and I always use the Cif cream. I think it smells beautiful, so whenever I'm giving it a deep clean, I always go in with the Cif cream first and a Minky and just give it a good scrub.
When we got older, We try to stay in touch, but we had to move on. Life ran away from us. If I could go back, be 17 again.
I then go over it with a dry microfiber cloth. I love doing this, it just helps buff it up and it just gets rid of all of the bubbles and all of the soap because I love having a dry sink. But I have picked up another little tip from Mrs. Hinch, which is to go over anything shiny, chrome mirrored with the white vinegar spray because it just gives it an extra long lasting shine. So I'm going to go in with the same dry microfiber cloth with the white vinegar spray and just give everything a good buff up and make it super shiny.
Do you remember stealing smokes from your parents? Sometimes we got a bit out of control. When they found out we ran from home just to scare them, we were free when we were 17.
So I'm now going to go over all of the sides and the cupboards with the Sephora water. I love doing this just because it smells beautiful and it disinfects everything, so it leaves everything super clean and smelling lush. But I can't wait to get my hands on the new Sephora scent, which is the frosted peppermint. Do let me know down in the comments if you've already tried it out because I can't wait. It sounds absolutely beautiful and I can't wait to get my hands on all of the Christmas scents, Christmas candles, and just have a really festive December. That is what I want this year. I just want a really festive, cozy time with all of the fragrances around me because you know I am a sucker for a good fragrance. So I am going to be going shopping soon and picking up all of the festive cleaning products and candles and just having a really cozy home.
Do you remember stealing smokes from your parents? Sometimes we got a bit out of control. When they found out we ran from home just to scare them, we were free when we were 17.
Next up on my list is the living room, so I'm just going to whiz around, make it nice and tidy before I can then go in and dust and hoover and just make it really cozy because I love having a cozy living room. It's just one of my favourite things, especially once it's all done and the whole house is then clean and smelling beautiful. I can make a nice cup of tea, put my feet up and just enjoy the coziness of it all. I do love that, so I'm just going to go around and cozy everything up, make it all nice and fresh and clean, ready for the day.
The fight isn't over. Can you let me be tonight? I will need some time alone, not forever, but when we're together, it feels like my spark's been left in the dark sometimes. Cause when I'm with you, it's just like an airwave, better than a band-aid. This could be love, not sure, but I'm probably right. When you're around, I can say what I wanna say. So hard to concentrate. This is all that I need and more. Perfectly safe and sure. I'll be with you always. I will stay with
So from the amount of times I've been taking everything off of the TV stand to give it a good dust, the lights ended up getting really tangled around the garland, so I thought it was about time that I redid it, and I should probably do this each time I take it off because it was just getting messier and messier every time I was putting it back. So I'm just going to go ahead and try and detangle it and put it back around so the lights are even throughout the garland, because it did end up being where the lights were just all clumped on one end and the middle of the garland was quite bare. So I'm just going to go back in and sort that out just so it's nice and even.
But when I'm with you, it's just like an airwave, better than a band-aid. This could be love, not sure, but I'm probably right. When you're around, I can say what I wanna say. So hard to concentrate. This is all that I need and more. Perfectly safe and sure. I'll be with you always. I will stay with my common sense. Irresistible friend. Will you be with me always?
I really hope you've enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching. The final thing I need to do is go in with my diluted fabric softener and just spray over the sofa and the curtains and everything and make everything super fresh. So I really hope you have enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I will see you back here in the next one.